10 notable persons born or grew up in Zamboanga City, in Basilan Province. Alyssa Alano, born Jeremy Daoud, August 11, 1987, is a Philippine-Australian film and TV actress. She was a former member of the popular Viva Hot Babes. Although she grew up in Tarlac, she was born Jeremy Daoud in Zamboanga City on August 11, 1987. Hector Zamboangeños Zabala, born November 13, 1971, popularly known as Buddy Zabala, is a Filipino musician and producer. He is currently the bassist of Filipino pop band Moonstar 88, and widely known as the member alternative rock band, Eraserheads. Christian Morones is a teen housemate in Pinoy Big Brother, Lucky 7. He is dubbed as the courtside Cusinero of Zamboanga because of him being a varsity basketball athlete on his school as well as being fond of cooking. Yong Nahajal is a teen housemate in Pinoy Big Brother, Lucky 7. Dubbed as the Pog a Sunang Angkan ng Zamboanga, likes to help his family do household chores such as to cook and to fetch water. Heidelin Diaz is a Filipino weightlifter and airwoman, the first Filipino to ever win an Olympic gold medal for the Philippines, and also a record holder by winning the women's 55 kilograms category for weightlifting at the 2020 Summer Olympics. Ruru Madrid is a Filipino teen actor who rose to fame in Protégé, the battle for the big artista break. He is currently seen on the GMA network. Madrid is fluent in Tagalog and English. Mark Baroka is a Filipino professional basketball player who currently plays for the Star Hotshots in the Philippine Basketball Association. He currently wears the number 14 to imply the birthday of his wife. Ryan Ruz R. Garcia is a Filipino professional basketball player currently playing for the Star Hotshots of the Philippine Basketball Association. He was selected 6th overall in the 2013 PBA draft by the Global Port Baton Pier. John Estrada is a Filipino film and TV actor who has starred in a number of roles as a leading man, comedian and villain. He is a contract actor of ABS-CBN, where he remained there from 1990 to 2018 and transferred to GMA Network in 2018. Prey Romanillos was a Hollywood animator who had a long and successful career at studios such as DreamWorks and Walt Disney. He was responsible for breathing life into many memorable animated characters, including the Native American Little Creek in DreamWorks' Spirit, Stallion of the Cimarron, Pocahontas, and the villainous Hun Shan Yu in Disney's Mulan. That's all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Chavacano Republic.